find out what this new body goes to, stick around till the end of the video. This came off of one of my other RC cars and fits directly on the Bezgar. Alright, so we're out here again today with one of the crowd favorites, the Bezgar Truck. Today we're going to be trying a 2S, a 3S, and a 4S battery on this thing. I'm not sure if the electronics can handle it, but we're going to try it out. It's really windy out here. I'm not sure if you can hear me or not, but we have our Milan GPS on top, and we're going to do a couple speed runs with each one. In order to make this work, I had to change out the connector on the electronics. We have a Dean's connector on here, so we also did that on the inside. I'll show you that as well. Other than that, everything is stock inside the car. So we'll see what kind of speeds we can get on 2S, 3S, 4S. If you remember, the original battery's got about 16 miles an hour, so we're going to see if we can top that. Alright, speed test 1 is the 2S Lipo. Alright, 17.2 miles an hour. So we have the 3S battery on here. As you can see, it goes right through the body into the ESC. Not the cleanest job, but it works. 3S battery. Definitely got more pep too. Wow. All right, 26.5 miles an hour on 3S. So we now have the 4S Lipo on here. Again, don't try this at home. You could ruin your car. It doesn't seem much faster than 3S. Alright, 27.6. So 4S only made it go a mile an hour faster. Pretty interesting. We'll see if 2S, it came in at 17 miles an hour. 3S, we had 26.5 miles an hour. And 4S, we had about 27.5 miles an hour. Once again, I wouldn't recommend doing this. It can ruin your car. I just did it because I know what I'm doing a little bit, kinda. But the body that I have here comes from a Haiboxing Dune Thunder. So it fits right on there. If you could tell by the electronics on the inside, it's basically the same exact car. I'll try and link this one down below. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon anymore, but you can get both this car with this body as well as the Bezgar with the truck body on Amazon, and I think they are about the same price. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you want to see any other reviews or anything on this car or any of my other cars, please leave a comment down below. I'll try and put them up as fast as I can while we're part of this quarantine. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.